Welcome once again to my channel. Now let's look at what we have here today on the board. We have that the sixth term of an AP is 15 and the eighth term is 27. We have to find the fifth term. Now this is very simple. But now let's look at this. How are we going to have the sixth term? How are we going to have the fifth term when we don't know the first term? We don't even know the common difference. But I'm going to show you how you're going to do this. It's very simple. If this is your first time seeing me, can you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to share this video. Alright, here's the solution to this problem. We have the sixth term. Remember, the nth term of an AP, Tn, is given by a plus into n minus 1 close bracket b. So for the sixth term, that's T6, will be equal to a plus into n is 6 minus, because you're looking for your n is 6 because you're looking for the sixth term. Now this will be equal to a plus 6 minus 1 is 5. So 5 multiplied by d. This will give us a plus 5d. This is the sixth term, and the sixth term is 15. So this will be equal to what? 15. This implies that a plus 5d is equal to 15. Now this will be our first equation. Now let's check for the eighth term. We know that Tn is equal to a plus into n minus 1 multiplied by d. So T8, that's the eighth term, will be equal to a plus into 8 minus 1 multiplied by d. So this will be T8 to be equal to a plus 8 minus 1 is 7. 7 times d is 7d. And we know that the eighth term is equal to what? We know that the eighth term is equal to the eighth term is 27. So here will be 27, and this will become our second equation. So bringing the two equations out, this will give us a plus 5d to be equal to 15. This will be our first equation, and then a plus 7d will be equal to 27. This will be our second equation. Now to do this, it's very simple. I would simply say equation 2 minus equation 1. You can solve it using any method, because now you have a simultaneous equation, of which you can use the substitution method, the graphical method, or you can also use the elimination method. But I just want to make this fast. So equation 2 minus equation 1. 2 minus 1, a minus a will give us 0, plus 7 minus 5 will give us 2. You know, this 7d minus 5d. A minus a is 0. 7 minus 5 is 2d, equal to 27 minus 5 is 12. So this means that 2d is equal to 12. Now to have the value of d, I'll divide both sides by 2. 2 will cancel out 2, and d will be equal to 12 divided by 2 is 6. Now for me to have a, I will substitute d, substitute d, which is 6. You can substitute into any of the equations. So let's take it into equation 1. So anywhere we see d, I'm going to replace it with what? 6. So that will give me, doing that, I'm going to have a plus 5. Now this d will be into 6 equal to 15. So a plus 5 times 6 is 30 equal to 15. A will be equal to 15 30 will cross over minus 30. So A will be equal to 15 minus 30 is minus 15. Now our A is equal to minus 15, our D is equal to 6, and our N, which is the n term, we are looking for the what? The fifth term. So N will be equal to 5. We know that our Tn is equal to A plus into n minus 1 close bracket D, and this is given by the n term. So our A is what? Minus 15. So T5 will be equal to minus 15 plus n will be 5 minus 1. D is 6. This implies minus 15 plus 5 minus 1 is 4 into D is what? 6. So this is the same thing as minus 15 plus 4 times 6. This will give us minus 15 plus 4 times 6 is 24. Remember, all of this is our fifth term, T5. So T5 will be equal to minus 15 plus 24 is same thing as 24 minus 15. 0. So everything will be equal to 9. So I can say equal to 9 because we are looking for the fifth term. Now, if you find this video interesting, don't hesitate. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and share this video. See you next time. Bye.